Hello everyone, welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with one more campus update for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon to get notified instantly. So dear students, we are glad to inform you that we Profound EduTech are arranging a campus by Max Secure for 2021 batch students, and we are here to give you more details about the same. So this is a brief information about the hiring company MaxSecure. MaxSecure Software is a global cybersecurity and privacy software development company. The company creates innovative privacy, security, protection, and performance solutions for internet users. It is based out of Pune and has offices in United States. So you may get more information about them on their website, which is maxpcsecure.com. Yes, so as mentioned earlier, we Profound EduTech are arranging a campus by Max Secure for their current freshers requirement, and they are hiring for a couple of job profiles, which are software developer and software testers. These are the eligibility details for their software developer role. The candidates from BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MCS, or MSc Computer Science IT qualifications are eligible to apply. The candidates are need to be from 2021 or 2020 batch, and as far as marks are concerned, they should have aggregate of minimum 55% in graduation or post graduation, and as far as 10th and 12th marks are concerned, they need to be 70%. These are the eligibility details for software tester role. All the details are same except for the aggregate of graduation and post graduation. It can be 50% for software tester role. So these are the other desired skills. The candidates are expected to have very good analytical and logical skills. And if you are applying for software developer role, you are needed to have very good programming skills in C++, C++. And if you are applying for software testers role, you should have good knowledge of software testing. As far as salary is concerned, the offered salary is 2 lakhs per annum. Initially, the recruited candidates, selected candidates will work as interns and they will be paid stipend of rupees 6,000 per month for initial 6 months. The job location is Pune and the campus is going to be in January 2021. We will give the further details soon to the registered shortlisted candidates. So if you're eligible, you may apply for this campus drive on this link, which is bit.ly/3pv7dyv, bit.ly/3pv7dyv. So just type this URL in the address bar of your browser and fill up the registration form there. Please note that this URL is case sensitive, so ensure that you enter the correct URL in the address bar. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you have been liking our videos and finding them helpful and useful for you. So we Profound EduTech are basically a top IT training and placement company, and we provide various job oriented courses in full stack Java, .NET, testing, data science, Python, machine learning, etc. And along with quality trainings, we are very well known for strong placement support, and we provide 100% guaranteed placement support to our students. So we start new batches almost every week, and to get more details about our courses, you may call on these numbers, which is 89830 or 52. This is the snapshot of our full stack Java developer course. It contains various technologies, as you can see, right? We start right with fundamentals, C++, database, OS networking. Then we go to backend part where we cover complete Java, core Java, web-based Java with frameworks, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot. And in the front end part, we have web design with UI development, Angular 8. And we also cover Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB, followed by Python, software testing. The aptitude and soft skill sessions are also offered complimentary with this. You will be working on live project and you will be given internship later as well of 6 months duration. This is the similar advanced diploma in software testing, which covers your fundamentals, manual testing, automation testing, advanced automation testing tools like Selenium WebDriver, Cucumber, etc. So you may get more details about our courses, the detailed contents and all on our website profoundedutech.com. These are the highlights of our courses. So all our trainings, whether online or offline trainings, they all are live trainings, which means they are not pre-recorded trainings. They are live trainings by our senior trainers. And since these are live trainings, a lot of interaction becomes possible between the students and the trainers, which helps to get all the doubts and queries and questions solved immediately. Also, we cover multiple technologies and programming languages in the same course, which helps you to get skilled on multiple technologies and also explore multiple placement opportunities. We give a lot of importance to your practical knowledge, and we follow complete hands-on approach. We provide daily assignments to our students, which they practice in the labs. In the labs also, we have lab trainers who guide them in the assignments. Whatever the students learn, they implement it on real world projects. And yes, most importantly, we arrange daily exclusive campus drive, which are only for Profound EduTech's trained students. So those who get trained at Profound EduTech in Java, testing, Angular, Python, data science, .NET, etc., they get exclusive placement support with the clients which recruit trained freshers from us, because that is the demand from the industry as well as the IT companies. They prefer to recruit trained freshers when it comes to off-campus recruitment. So yes, please be in touch with us on all our social platforms. We are available on Facebook. Please do like our Facebook page to get all our updates regularly. We have 51,000 plus likes to our Facebook page. We are also on YouTube. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also find us on Telegram, and as far as website is concerned, it's www.profoundedutech.com. So dear students, thank you once again for watching this video and hope to see you soon once again.